Hey refreshers, Nicole Jowers, Home Refresh and Style. Are you guys ready to have a party? Because you know when you press play, it's party time. So here is the deal. This is what we're going to tackle today. This amazing woman has finally gotten to renovate her home. She has a brand new kitchen. She has really cute white new cabinets. She has new countertop and she has tons of storage. So we are going to move all of her kitchen stuff back in this kitchen. We are going to set her pantry up for success. She also has a laundry room space next to the kitchen that she wants for some back stock. We've got the baskets, we've got the bins, we've got the labels, we've got everything we need to have a party. So join me inside as we tie it all together. Alright guys, I just got inside. I just did a little tour of where we're going to be tackling and I am so excited. This kitchen is like a blank canvas, so I get to do whatever my little organizing heart desires. So this is super exciting. I wanted to tell you guys some organizing must-haves that are kind of my top favorite. There are some products from Amazon, the Container Store, and Walmart. So I'm going to show you each of these items because they might help you when you're tackling your own space. Okay, so number one on the list when you are doing a pantry is I'm going to tell you to get some clear containers and labels. So everything comes out of all the packages. I never really keep bags or boxes. We toss all that clutter and you want to get different size bins. So these ones right here are for cereal. I love this brand from Amazon. It's Chef's Path. And these ones actually come with the labels and the chalk pen inside and they're a really good size and they actually keep stuff super fresh. So these are a really good product that I love to tell clients to get. The other thing is these here. So these ones are gonna be your storage container sets for everything else. All of your snacks, all of the, your bulk items, your pretzels, your Cheez-Its, all those kind of things. These are a little bit smaller. These are great sizes. This is also Chef's Path. These also come with labels and chalk pens because you have to label these because they just look super cute. You really have to label them. It's a thing, you have to. Okay, next you're gonna want for your kitchen drawers is you're gonna want some, don't drop it. You're gonna want some kind of divider. So I really like these bamboo ones and these ones fit right inside the drawer. They are adjustable, so then we can turn those spatula, spoon drawers that you guys have 9,000 of that we're gonna declutter. We can actually keep the 3 that you need and we can put dividers in there so all of your stuff is separated and it looks nice, organized, and cute. All right, the other thing I'm gonna have you get is we always use Lazy Susans or the 3-tier stack shelf. So this is gonna be for canned foods and spices. It's a personal preference and it also depends on the space that you have. I like using both. The 3-tier is great for cans or spices. This client in the space that we had, we decided a Lazy Susan was gonna be better. These are actually from Walmart. These have a skid resistant, they're nice and neutral and they turn. So these are great. These are must-haves for any cabinet or pantry space that you need to store those items. Bins, you guys know I can never have too many bins, okay? So I actually sent the client out yesterday to get more because I said we need more, we don't have enough. So I love using these white bins for underneath bathroom and kitchen sinks. So these 2 are going to be for the kitchen sink. And then we also have these bins from the Container Store. Guys, these are my new favorite bin. I've used these in a couple of sessions previously. They come small, medium, large. These are large sizes that are actually gonna go right in the laundry room with labels, so everything's organized. Like, this makes me so excited. These bins are like everything, okay? And then we also have labels and chalk pens. So the baskets, unfortunately, never come with my labels, like the containers. So we were actually at the Container Store able to pick up these chalk labels here, and then we also have these here, which work really well. And then grab yourself your chalk pen. I preach it all the time. It's easier, it's smoother to write, it's smoother to erase, and you don't get all chalky. So labels and chalk pens. We also have these amazing finds. So this is a container lid storage. So this is for all of your Tupperwares and all of those lids. These have a place, it's adjustable, it fits in your cabinets. And then we also have this. You want to get something for your forks and spoons and all of your silverware. And then we have also some trays and everything that I'll show you, some more smaller things for the spaces as we go along. But you want to make sure that you set yourself up for success with some organization tools. You don't want it to just look like an organized mess. You want it to look cute, you want it to be organized, and you want to keep up with it. So it's worth the investment of getting a few finds to make your space all cute. All right, guys, I wanted to give you a quick tour of the space that we're working with today. Don't mind the mess before the magic, it's gonna get even messier, but this is all the organization stuff that we have bought to help us with our project today. And we have a completely blank canvas. So we have an empty pantry. These shelves are empty. And she actually decided to get rollout drawers here. So this is a great addition. We have drawers that are empty. So every space here is like a blank canvas. Everything is empty. We are about to dive in to these spaces. She actually has a laundry room that's right over here. This has all of our extra pantry stuff that did not fit. And she wants this to be more of an extra storage space. So we are about to take everything out of this space, see what's gonna go back in, and use our baskets and bins and labels and work our organizing magic. So here's the stuff that's been in the garage during the kitchen renovation. We've got all this kitchen stuff here, and then we've got more kitchen stuff here. So she said she's already decluttered. I'm gonna see if we can get rid of some more stuff so we can use the space that we have without jam-packing it, but still give her everything she needs. Okay, it is now time to take everything that is outside in the garage and put them in these cabinets. Guys, everything has come out of the laundry room and we have the madness going on where everything is categorized. We have the stuff that's gonna go back in the pantry. We have the stuff that's extra storage, paper products. Client is in there wiping the dust down. She just did her renovation, so there's a little bit of dust from the construction. So she's getting that room in order. We have our categories, and now we're gonna start to move what belongs in the kitchen and then see what's gonna be backstocked in the laundry room. All right, first thing we're gonna tackle now is we are going to put everything into this pantry. So we have our category of all of our food from the laundry room. That's now going to get subcategoried as well. We're gonna put all of our snacks together, our spices, our condiments, so we know what bins are gonna go in to put back in here. We are gonna need our containers, our Lazy Susans, and our labels and chalk pen. So we're gonna see how this is gonna go back in so she has a pantry that she is proud of. Categorized, so now we're going to get our baskets and bins and put it in the pantry to see how we're going to keep it fresh and organized. Okay, before we put all of the products back into the kitchen cabinets, we're gonna use these awesome drawer liners. She found some super cute neutral ones that are gonna go great for the space to make sure it keeps it clean and organized. So this storage cabinet is outside. We are gonna see if we can move some of these paper products that she uses all the time into the laundry room, into our extra storage space. All right, I'm in the laundry room and I'm gonna set up the extra storage space in here. So we're gonna use our white containers, our labels, and do nothing but a basket wall that has extra refills for the kitchen. In these bins, and now it's time to label them. I am super excited the way this came out. It came out fabulous. I cannot be more excited about the way this came out. Nothing but baskets, bins, labels, everything is organized. We cleared out all the spaces. This is staying empty. We don't need the clutter here. And we also have cabinets that are organized. Take everything out of the boxes, even your trash bags, everything out of the boxes. Don't be afraid to move shelves. We moved the shelves around here so it was more effective. Even this is now a storage house. Take it out of the packaging. It looks cleaner, it looks more organized, and it's more functional. Super excited. Okay, it is now time to take everything that is outside in the garage and put them in these cabinets. All right, you guys, I'm so excited about how this kitchen turned out. I'm gonna take you through all the drawers and all the bins and baskets so you can see the results. So this pantry was an empty space. We were able to put all of our containers there for our snacks that we took out of the original boxes. Then we have our Lazy Susans for our canned foods and all of our spices. Cereal containers fit perfectly on these shelves. We even have room to grow for when they get more. These pull-out drawers came out amazing. So we actually have this one labeled for snacks. We've got some packaged snacks back here, and then down here we also have these containers for the lemonade. So those came out really good. Here we have all of our breakfast stuff, and then back here we have our pastas and our rices, and then we've got some juice and our bread. And then at the bottom here we have all of our condiments, which is labeled, and my drawers want to come out. And then back here we have all of our bakeware, drinks, and then we were able to fit the doggy snacks. Kitchen cabinets are all new. These were completely empty, so we were able to put all of her dishes here. We were able to clear the counters. We put our silverware here, so this is all nice and organized. Over here we were able to fit all of our pots and pans. We have another cabinet waiting to be installed. These are gonna be for all of her plastic cups and bowls, and then the microwave is gonna go on the wall. These have fabulous drawer liners. Look how awesome these came out. We have our wood dividers that are adjustable, so this is great if you're wanting to separate all of your stuff. And then we have our mixing bowls and our strainers. We have our bakeware down here. We have our little coffee bar going on here with all of her coffee mugs. We're gonna have a little bit more space when this kitchen's complete with the construction. We were able to get our knives to go in here. And then down here we have a nice deep cabinet that has all of the bakeware. We skip over here and we have another fabulous drawer liner, and then these dividers as well. These work amazing. Underneath the kitchen sink, didn't have anything really going on. We were able to just get some bins and then store our extra products that we have here. So this is super easy to find and keep organized. And then over here we have an organized junk drawer. This is an amazing spot. We actually use these clear bins to store all the different things that you need in your kitchen here. We didn't have a lot of space to put all these Ziploc bags. We have storage in there, so we just put them in the clear container here. So this is actually functionable and everything has a home. Tupperware, you guys know I absolutely hate Tupperware. We got this storage bin here that actually has dividers, so you can actually store all of your lids. We made sure that every lid had a matching container, and she actually went through and purged these before I came. She must have known that I absolutely do not like Tupperware, so this came out fabulous. And then we're gonna go over here to her laundry room. Do you remember this was spilling at the seams? These all have clear or white bins that are all now labeled. Everything has a spot. We actually have a refill. The wine ended up in the snack refill bin. And we have our pet food. Everything extra is in here. We have nothing on the floor. We have a clear space. Moving to the cabinets that were spilling out and really didn't have any purpose. These are now backstocked, so we've got our tissues, our lunch boxes, some extra trash bags, and the extra dog food. And then over here, we moved some shelves around. Don't be afraid to move those shelves. We have all of her extra stuff on the top, and then all the stuff she needs for the washing is on a shelf that she can now access, because before all this stuff was just on top of the washer and dryer. You don't want that to happen. We got rid of all of those plastic hangers that were causing Nicole anxiety, and now we have a few here that are the black velvet ones for when she does the wash. Here we took down all the stuff that was here, and we actually took the paper towels and toilet paper out of the bags. We have a refreshed space. We are so excited. So this is actually what we are about to load into the trash right now to her curb. This is all empty boxes. This is all stuff that we did not need. This is all going goodbye that was cluttering the kitchen before. Okay, we're legit out of breath because we just did cardio by removing all of this trash from the house. This, I don't even know what's happening here, but this is hilarious. This is everything we took out of the house. This is all of the trash. This is clutter. And some of it was her boxes. She was moving all this stuff out, but this is amazing. This is a day that was great. I am so excited with how this project came out, and I hope that you guys enjoyed going through this home. She now has a renovated kitchen, and she now has a laundry room and kitchen space and pantry that she can be happy. She actually just said she feels like she's in a model home. So now she has, the vision has come to life. It's great to get those renovations done, but you want to make sure that you organize it and everything goes back in a system so you can enjoy your space and keep up with it. Thank you for going on your journey. If you need my help in your home and you want more inspiration, be sure to check me out on Facebook and Instagram. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting the red subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a beat, a basket, or a whole kitchen pantry renovated makeover. See you guys next time where we can tie it all together. Bye guys.